Sharing automation is a simple and effective way to collaborate with team members, streamline workflows across accounts, or even distribute pre-built automations to clients or colleagues. The process is quick. This video will walk you through it step by step. First, navigate to automation in your ActiveCampaign account. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing automations. Locate the automation you want to share and click the down caret. Next, select the share option from the drop-down menu. Once you click this, ActiveCampaign will automatically generate a unique share link for that specific automation. This link can be shared with any ActiveCampaign user. When they click the link, they can import the automation directly into their account, just like that. Sharing automations is that easy. It's a great way to save time and replicate successful workflows across accounts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of ActiveCampaign. Thanks for watching.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel.